Hey guys, check out this 1969 Ford Bronco. It is just about to hit our showroom. This is a really nice original uncut example. It was bought brand new right here in Denver at Courtesy Ford of Inglewood and Littleton. This is a special order paint color is what it says on the market report, and it's definitely unique. This is the Bronco Sport, and just check out this interior. Look how original this is. This is all the original rubber flooring that it came with new. These seats are original. This one does have a small rip right here, but overall in very good shape. The dash is in excellent condition. Little crack right there, but not much to cry over. This is the 302 two-barrel engine. Runs like a top, really smooth, quiet, great power, just like they were when they were new. All the gauges appear to work. So you got wipers. This has the dual fuel tanks, and they do appear to work as well. Heater fan turns on, blows air, a little noisy. And the radio even works. We got some static. And if you didn't notice, this is a 3-speed on the column. A very popular transmission for these Broncos. We did recently change the oil, so you can feel confident that it is fresh oil in there with the zinc for flat tap camshafts, of course. Here's our engine bay. Just listen to this motor. It is so quiet. The body is in excellent shape. It looks like it's been repainted one time. And it does show some character here and there. It's had some touch-up done. You know, you got little stuff like this. But you can see when they painted it, they did remove the trim. They did a really nice job on the repaint. It's got the original style tires, and they are a newer version. Those tires are not cheap if you try to buy them new. The undercarriage is really well done. Someone's really spent some time down here. You got new Bilstein shocks all the way around. The differential looks like it's in great shape. And on the front of the truck, looks like someone has been through the whole front axle, and it sure runs and drives like it too. You got new coil springs, new Bilstein shocks up front here too. This is just an excellent Bronco uncut survivor. Check it out on our website. There'll be about 80 high-resolution photos along with the undercarriage shots, so you can see it in a little more detail. Thanks.